Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Have you heard about Google's latest AI tool? It's causing quite a stir in the world of image generation and editing, and some are even calling it a Photoshop killer. But before you jump on that bandwagon, let's break it down. Introducing Gemini 2.0 exclamation mark. This upgrade doesn't just understand text, it's now multimodal, meaning it gets images, audio, and video too. Sounds impressive, right? Even more exciting, it can now generate and edit images like never before. Imagine prompting it with, create an image of a skateboarder doing a kickflip, and then tweaking it without having to start from scratch. That's the kind of power we've been waiting for. But there's a catch. To access these features, you need to hop over to Google's AI Studio, which, while powerful, is not as user-friendly as you might hope. Once you're in, toggle the Gemini 2.0 flat image generation and you're set. You can generate images with a decent limit, 10 requests per minute. It might not be totally intuitive, but with a bit of practice, you'll get the hang of it. One really cool use case, staging continuous scenes. You can create cinematic sequences by simply prompting reverse angle or close-up shot. I started with a businessman at an abandoned station and ended up with a dramatic mini-story featuring a hungry wolf. Exciting, right? And speaking of stories, Gemini can help you create characters too. Need a Viking warrior? Just prompt it to show different angles and poses. It's fantastic for generating consistent character references. But remember, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The tool can get a bit glitchy with high generations, so keep that in mind. Overall, Gemini 2.0 is shaking things up and setting the stage for future video generation features coming our way. So if you're curious to explore these cutting-edge tools and start creating your own AI-driven images, check out ExactAgent to create your own AI and participate in the Exact ecosystem. Link in the description. Catch you next time.